Activation codes are crucial for setting up your consumer cellular service, but sometimes they go missing. The code should arrive via SMS, email, or directly in the Consumer Cellular app after purchasing your SIM kit or plan. Common reasons for not receiving it include emails being filtered into spam junk folders, SMS delays due to network congestion, especially in rural areas, or glitches in the app itself. Make sure the device you're activating is compatible and unlocked. A recent Verizon outage in February 2025 also caused widespread code non-delivery, so broader network issues can also be to blame. With the industry trending towards digital-first onboarding, it's important to make sure your email and phone are registered with Consumer Cellular. First, double-check your email's spam and junk folders. Next, use the Consumer Cellular app's quick activation or resend option to request the code again, which is often faster than waiting for email or SMS. Ensure the app is up to date. If still no luck, call Consumer Cellular support at 1-888-345-5509 for manual activation. Some users have found success by using a different device to receive the SMS. Remember, codes can sometimes take up to 24 hours to arrive. Avoid swapping SIMs multiple times, as this can lock your account. Expert opinions suggest that app reliability is better on iOS than Android, so consider this if using the app. AI integration may further reduce these errors in the future, making proactive, multi-channel checking critical.